What's the meaning of ball hockey? Ball hockey. Ball hockey.
Ball hockey. Ball hockey. Ball hockey is a sport that is similar to ice hockey, but it is played on a hard surface such as concrete or asphalt instead of ice. The game is played with a ball instead of a puck and is typically played in gyms, community centers, and outdoor rinks. The objective of the game is the same as ice hockey, to score more goals than your opponent by shooting the ball into the opposing team's net. Ball hockey is popular in countries where ice hockey is not accessible due to climate or financial reasons, and it is enjoyed by players of all ages and skill levels.